You have been practicing writing character descriptions for 2 weeks now. You are an expert. Finally, the long-awaited moment when you will get to create a character description for your character in your fiction story. You will need your 5-part story plan, the setting you wrote for your 5-part story, if you already wrote one, and your Dip a Character in Paint checklist. Let's get started. Remember your 5-part story plan that you made a couple of weeks ago when we were talking about the 5 different parts of a story? Setting, main character, what do they want, what's stopping them from getting it, and how do they get it in the end? Well, today we're going to pull those out. Some of you already wrote a setting and are ready to start working on your main character. If you haven't written a setting yet, you should probably do that first. I've attached a setting checklist and a character checklist onto your weekly plan in case you haven't done your setting yet. You must use one of the 5-part story plans that you already wrote, or if you prefer, write a new 5-part story plan. But you cannot start writing without having a plan. If you have done your setting, you're ready to move on to your main character. Here's what to do. Get out your checklist, remember to use it, and start writing about only one main character. In this story, remember you're not going to use 2 main characters, just one main character who follows your series of events. Make sure that the information you write about your character also makes sense with your setting. To check this, you can reread your setting and your main character description together. If they don't make sense, you may need to rewrite or edit your setting or character so they do make sense. Remember to post what you write on Seesaw with a photo of your writing and you reading it with audio on top of the photo so that I can read your writing and see what you've written each day. Have fun writing your character description for your 5-part story. I can't wait to read them.